Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can make interesting house for dolls from the remaining trash of the parquet flooring. Tools needed are meter, pen, saw, screws and screwdriver, so only basic tools which almost everybody has at home. As you can see, I had a power saw, so cutting parts was very easy. In regard to the size of the parts, I didn't took any precise measures. I determined the measures based on the trash parts that I had available. I will show you at the end the exact measures that I used. When assembling the parts, I suggest you get some help if you want to make everything nice and straight. I was working alone, so I was struggling to make everything on the right degrees, so for that you can also use some additional tools if you have at home. When assembling the first floor, you can prepare the side walls for the second floor in advance. As you can see here, I forgot to do that, but luckily I had some additional tools that helped me correct my error. Also, I was in a hurry to finish everything as soon as possible, so when you do things in hurry, you usually make it worse than if you do it slowly and properly. The example is here in this video, where you see my screws were coming outside the wooden part because I didn't use any measuring or marking where should I do screws. Here you can see the part I was talking about before, where I forgot to first screw from the below. Luckily I had this additional tool which made it possible that I screw it even from the below. Finally, last floor I left to be the longest one for some bigger toys to place here. It was night, so I didn't record how I put the roof at the end, but I cut it on the 30-degree angle and it fit perfectly. As a last touch, you can put this protection from the below so kids will not scratch the floor when they play with this house. This is the look of completed house, and now it is ready to be populated with the toys. Here I left my daughter to play and put some toys inside. Now this is the final look of the house. Let me know what do you think. At the end, as promised, here are the dimensions of the house, and again I highlight that for me the trash dimensions determine the size of the house, so you can choose smaller or even larger if you like. The base of the house is wide 51 cm, while the floor heights are 20 cm. The final floor height in the middle is 32 cm, and roof half is around 25 cm. If you have more material, I recommend leave roof to be a bit wider than the walls to look more realistic like from the real house. The width from wall to wall is 46 cm, while the max height is 73 cm, and at the end of the walls around 65 cm. Depth of the walls is 60 cm, while roof and base depth is around 22 centimeters. Finally, I have this funny video of my daughter playing with LOL dolls, so let me know if you want that I upload full video as the next video on my channel. The full length of the video is around 6 minutes, so I don't know, are you interested to see that kind of content or not? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you all who watched until the end of the video. I hope you are all safe and well. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.